and welcome to Shakuntlam classes. And today we are going to discuss 25 questions from the subject Population and Environmental Education. And this exam is going to be conducted on 29th of September along with Principle and Methods of Teaching. So these two paper will be your combined paper. Before we start, guys, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and share with your friends as much as possible because it will be very helpful for them. So let's get started. Question number 1 is education means option A, education as a subject, teaching, training, process of social change, and option D, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. The nature of education in the context of population education is A, child-centered, B, content-centered, C, problem-focused, and D, purpose-centric. So the correct answer is problem-focused. Coming to the third question, the main objective of population education is to make students aware of population growth, B, population growth of students, C, A and B both, and option D, none. So the correct answer is option number C, A and B both. Coming on to question number 4, arrangement for population education should be made option A at primary level, option B at secondary level, option C at higher level, and option D at all levels. So the correct answer will be option D at all levels. Coming on to question number 5, small family is the goal of happy family. This statement was given by option A, Department of Family Welfare, option B, by Population Education, option C, A and B both, and option D, none of these. So the correct option will be A and B both. Chota Parivar, Sukhi Parivar. The concept is given by both the sectors. Coming on to question number 6, the main reason for population growth is option A, lack of female education, option B, population policies guilty, option C, having conservative tendencies, and option D, all of them. So the correct option will be option D, all of them. All these factors are responsible for population growth. Coming on to question number 7, the problems arising out of population growth are option A, environmental pollution, option B, unemployment, option C, declining in standard of living, and option D, all. So with the growth of population, all these problems arises. Coming on to question number 8, the measure to control population growth is option A, family control, option B, population education, option C, population policies, and option D, all of them. So the correct option will be option D, all of them. Coming on to question number 9, the important role in population education is option A, teacher education, option B, environmental education, option C, adult education, and option D, all of them. So the correct answer will be option D, all of them. The characteristic of population education is option A, a social process, option B, new field of study, option C, an educational program, and option D, all of them. So the correct answer will be option D, all of them. are the characteristics for population education. Coming on to question number 11, the factor affecting population growth is option A birth rate, option B mortality rate, option C population dynamics, and option D all of these. So all these three factors, that is birth rate, mortality rate, population dynamics, are affecting the population growth. The lowest annual growth rate in the world is of option A developing countries, option B developed countries, option C both, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option B developed countries. The lowest annual growth rate in the world is of developed countries. Coming on to question 13, the period of rapid growth of population in India is in the year option A 1961 to 71, option B 1931 to 51, option C 1981 to 91, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is 1961 to 71 is the period of rapid growth of population in India. Coming on to question number 14, in India 1981 to 91 is the decade of option A low birth rate, option B low death rate, option C A and B both, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be A, option C, A and B both. So 1981 to 91 is the decade where lowest birth rate and lowest death rate was recorded. Coming on to question number 15, measures to control population growth are option A population education, option B family welfare program, option C population policy, and option D all of these. So the correct answer will be option C population policy. Coming on to question number 16, the solution to the population problem is option A industrial development, option B increase in the age of marriage, option C transfer, and option D all of these. So the correct answer will be option D all of these. Coming on to question number 17, population education should be in the program of option A population awareness, option B sensitivity of the population, option C A and B both, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option C A and B both. Coming on to question number 18, percentage rate is higher in population growth rate in the year 1991 to 2000 was of option A male growth rate, option B female growth rate, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be male growth rate. Moving on to question number 19, the percentage rate of males in the educated population in the year 1991 to 2001 is higher by option A 74%, option B 76%, option C 54%, and option D 66%. So the correct answer will be option B 76%. Coming on to question 20, the ultimate goal of population education is option A providing information about population, option B awareness of population, option C controlling population growth, and option D quality in population. So the correct answer is option D quality in population. Coming on to question number 21, the types of mobility are option A geographical mobility, option B population dynamics, option C A and B both, and option D none of these. So the correct answer will be option D none of these. Coming on to question number 22, social mobility takes place in option A, horizontal social mobility, option B, vertical social mobility, option C, A and B both, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option D, none of these. Coming on to question 23. Population mobility in any change in population status. This statement was given by option A, by Young and Mack. Option B, C.V. Wood. Option C, Bogardus. And option D, Miller. So the correct answer will be option C, Bogardus. Coming on to question number 24. The factor affecting population dynamics are option A, social structure, option B, caste system, option C, education, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is option D, all of these. Now coming on to the last question of this session, that is question number 25. What is the full form of IUCN? What is the full form of IUCN? So the correct answer will be, any guesses? So IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature. Okay. Please just avoid my handwriting. So the full form of IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature. So that's all for today. I hope you all are preparing well. Take a good care of yourself. Till then, take care. Thank you, friends.